Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a Snicker shake. So I got some Snickers, some ice cream, some almond milk, caramel sauce, some chocolate sauce with cream and some peanuts. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead now and start this right away. Alright guys, we're going to start by adding in some Snicker. This is 2 Snicker bar cut up. Alright, going to add some ice cream. And I said, guys, if you're trying to tuck on a few pounds, drink 2 or 3 of these shakes a week, and you will see the difference. All right, let's get a little bit more ice cream in there. All right, now we're gonna dip in some chocolate. That's a little bit. We are also gonna add some caramel sauce. Alright, and the last thing we're going to add now is some almond milk. Whatever milk you want to use, you could use, but I'm using almond milk for this one. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and blend this together for 45 seconds to a minute, depending on your blender. And I'll come back when it's ready. I'm going to start by adding some caramel to the glass. Alright, some chocolate. Then we're going to add a shake. Off with some cream. More caramel. Chocolate and some peanuts. Snicker bar, just like that. All right, and that's it, guys. And a straw, and you're good. I do that.